In this question, we have two functions, and the first part we have to find for fg of x. So to find an expression for fg of x, it means in the function f, we have to substitute the x with the function g. So fg of x will be written as, so we have x squared. So in place of x, we'll put 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 3, and this is an expression for fg of x. In the next part, we have to find an expression for fg inverse. So the first step we'll do is, we know that fg of x is 2x plus 1 whole squared plus 3. So we replace the fg of x with the y. And now to find the inverse, the first step, it is always better to replace the y with an x and the x with a y, and then make y your subject. So we bring the 3 on the other side, and this will become x minus 3 is equals to 2y plus 1 whole squared. So we square root both the sides, and we get x minus 3 is equals to 2y plus 1. So y will become equals to square root of x minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now we have the inverse of, we have fg inverse of x, which is equals to x minus 3 square root of x minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now for the domain, basically the domain are the x values. Now we know that the values of x cannot be less than 3, as if it is less than 3, if we'll have a negative value in the square root, where the solution will not be possible. So the values of x must be greater than 3. So x must be greater than 3. Any value for x less than 3, there will be no solutions. So x must be taken as greater than 3. In the next part, we have to find fg of x minus 3 is equals to gf of x. So fg of x is, we have fg of x from the first part, which is 2x plus 1 whole squared minus 3 plus 3, and then we have a minus 3 over here. For gf of x, in place of g, will replace, so the function g was 2x plus 1, the x will be replaced by x squared plus 3. So we'll write 2 multiplied by x squared plus 3 plus 1. Expanding this, we get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. The 3 and 3 will cancel out. And on this side, we have 2x squared plus 6 plus 1, which is equals to 7. Simplifying both the sides, we get 2x squared plus 4x, and 1 minus 7 will become minus 6. We can write this equation as x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Solving this equation, we get x plus 3 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. So the two values of x are x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. Now x equals to minus 3. Now from above, we have the domain of x, so the values of x must be greater than 0, and for gf of x, the values of x must be greater than negative half. So we know that negative 3 is out of, well, it's not in the range of the values of x, so we'll ignore this, and the solution would only be x equals to 1.